Hello guys, today here we have a Mint Fox mobile model M3CR. It's stuck at Bootloop. It's not booting, it's keeping on restarting and restarting. Okay, let's go on. Let's switch the phone on. Switching on. Restarting again. As you can see, it's going to stuck here for so long. Okay, it will keep on stuck at this. Okay, let's go on to show you how we can do it to make this device back to working. Okay, you download your research download tool, and here where is load the packet, then you come here, you load Mint M3CR. Okay, then you, after loading, wait for this packet to load. Okay, when it's loaded, then you can press this button, upgrade. Then you hold your Mint mobile, pressing the volume up key as well as inserting the USB cable. It's still downloading. I will inform you once done to write success. Passed. Okay, it's done. Now let's get back. Let me remove the phone, remove the battery, and put it back. Then let's try switching the device on. As you can see, now it's switching. You can hear the sound now. Just wait. Okay, then set the phone like this. Wait for the phone to switch on. We have to wait. We have patience. You wait for the phone. As you can see now, it's writing. It's writing. Device is connected. The device is there, it's connected. Let's write in and wait for the phone. It might take a little bit long. As you can see, the device is fully booted. As you can see,